to the Olympic Games. All right. Right now we have 15 athletes. Okay. I don't have to enumerate kasi medyo alam niyo yan. All right. And we're looking at. I was reading Sir Bumble's article, so he's looking at additional athletes. So, but he's confident that to break 19 athletes, which I agree. Okay, so that we all have until June 30 to actually see sino pa yung mga athlete that qualified. Olympic budget in PSC allotted in my GAA inserted is 52 million. Okay, to date, for this is preparation, training, participation in the Olympic Games. This is including all the windows they actually attended to qualify. Okay, from 52 million, we already spent 43 million. And with the 43 million, we also paid for airfare, luggage, parade uniforms for the 2024 Paris Olympic Games. So we are already supported the delegation. All right. So I have 8 point something 9 left to support, and then kung kulang man, then I will look for money in my NSDF. All right. Just to be clear. Even in the Para-Olympics, I do have a budget, and we also allotted, we already spent 13.4 million allotted to everyone, all the athletes.
How much total?
13.4. So, exhausted na lahat.
Paralympic?
Yeah, yeah. Okay? Now, since we're still in the POC, just to let you know how PSC is actually tinutulungan yung POC. There was unliquidated accounts of POC. Okay, so yun sa 2019 Vietnam, that was 2.5 million. The PSC board already cleared that 2.5 million, so they don't have any unliquidated. This is because of, it wasn't my time, but this was because of early arrivals of athletes and delegation, and then they stayed longer. So we cleared it. All right. Now for the unliquidated of 10 million, 1998, I really totally agree. Bakit pa should we all POC should be bothered by 1998? Why should I be bothered by unliquidated since 20 years ago? Okay. So I'm expecting a letter from POC, another letter from POC to actually we're helping endorsing them to write off that 10 million. So medyo yung COA, we met with COA, and medyo okay naman sila. So I'm just waiting for an additional letter by them, and then an additional letter from us, and then they will be cleared. Yung third unliquidated was 600 plus thousand on a swimming event. Kumbaga, they had to pay that back kasi hindi nagamit yung pera. So they sent a check, so they're actually clear. All right. Okay. Plans for groundbreaking of the 7-story facility. Now, you all know I've been asking a big budget for PSC for our athletes and facilities. Now, I want to thank Senator Pia. She inserted 100 million in my GAA, and it's about time we start fixing. So the location will be the Penka and boxing gym at PSC. That will be torn down, and we will build a 7-story building for dormitories, and then the 6th and 7th floor will be actually Pencak Silat, a brand new Pencak Silat and a brand new boxing gym. Okay, this can house something like 180 athletes. All right, and then in the top floor will be there, so where they can actually hang out and make laba their clothes. Mind you that this will be actually proper dormitories already, not like what you see here before in the past. We are fixing already all these dormitories to honor our athletes properly. They need proper beds, they need a table to study, and walang tumutulo, aircon, Wi-Fi, the works for our athletes. Alright? Again, I want to thank Senator Pia Cayetano. There'll be schedules, timelines for this. If you want a picture of the facility, I can have engineering hand you over. So the timeline, tapos na yung soil testing. By May 27 is the public building DPWH. July will be the demolition, and then August 24 will be groundbreaking and the start of work. Okay. Next would be the one issue I have is I have so much this whole year, especially end of last year, ang daming humihingi ng equipment. Okay? So I collated everything, and I wanted to improve the image of PSC. Kasi I won't talk about that. I just want to give yung mga congressmen or LGUs who are asking for equipment, I want to give them proper equipment. Hindi nakakaya na hindi nasisira agad. Okay, so my procurement took long. Okay, we all know how every government agency has issues with procurement, so we are fixing it. Na-approved na, and then we will be delivering end of month. And then hopefully I can work with the chairman's office and those people who actually wrote letters, congressmen, LGUs, I'll start delivering very, very soon, hopefully by end of the month. Okay, so that was my pet peeve this year. Na ang tagal. I'm not used to ang tagal. Okay, I come from a private company, and when I want something, it's done. You know, with Mr. Itexu, if I don't come back to him in a week or 2 days, I'm fired. Okay, so I'm used to that. So hopefully I can I'm actually glad this aircon, basically it was only before I left for Vietnam, and then it's here. So I want to thank my procurement and Chris in the chairman's office for doing this for you. All right, maybe we can still improve it. Maybe we still can improve it because I do feel that people here have to show reports so you can actually understand it. It's more entertaining videos. But yeah, so I will, kasi the TV is actually useless. Yeah, so sorry. So I'll fix that very, very soon. Now, the reason why I'm here, this was a conversation I had with Tito a long time ago and Nelson about a chairman's cup, chairman's golf cup. All right. So I did agree, but I didn't like the name Chairman's Cup, so it became a PSC fellowship with media, NSA Cup. All right. Since this is an Olympic year, all right, I decided to actually, the board decided as well, all proceeds will go to the athletes who qualified in the Olympics as additional support, additional funding for them. This will divide it equally to all these athletes will be given to them. All right. So I'm looking at least 2 million divided by how many athletes. All right. And then we'll actually give it to them very, very soon. The tournament will be on June 14. Okay, in Canluban Golf and Country Club. Okay, and this would have not been possible if not for our sponsors and partners. I would want to say, enumerate Senator Bongo, Pagcor, Philippine Airlines, Parola, Choose to Go, San Miguel Corporation, Eurotex, Winford Resort and Casino, Shakey's, Congressman Faustino Michael Carlos D. III, Ms. Erica D., Congressman Velasco, Congressman Marvin Rillo, participants and sponsors: Jefferson Cheng, 4 tickets, Miguel Aitaide, 4 tickets, Marcos Fernando, 2 tickets, Leia Cruz, 1 ticket, Gold Jacinto, 1 ticket, Mariano Araneta, 1 whole sponsor, TMS Ship Agencies, 50,000, Cell Logistics, 50,000, and this wouldn't have been possible without my PSC family. Okay, because they did all the work, and I just helped in very little. All right, and then hopefully we can get this golf tournament done. I know we'll be sending invites out today. It's all online. Okay, and hopefully I can see media and everyone there who plays golf. I'm also in the process of inviting past athletes or even volleyball players who actually play golf. To actually
Si
support.
Eliza Valdez, nag-gold din.
Now, for additional funding as well, I know Senator Bongo committed to funding those athletes who qualified. Okay, and also Senator Risa Ontiveros. Okay, so basically she funded, and I asked her that to grow that fund because we have already 15 athletes. So we have like 23 million that will be giving out to those athletes who qualified. So I'm just waiting for everyone to finish by June 30, then we can finalize everything. And then lastly would be not to be biased, but we do actually have a squash event, an international event.
Yes, ma'am.
And maybe since atleta naman natin yan, okay, we are playing against Malaysia, Thailand, all the other countries. Pwede naman tayo sumuporta. I know there's one semis match or two semis match mamaya ng 12 and 3 o'clock. Okay?
Laro si Arevado kanina.
Yeah. Maraming salamat.
Chairman, tanong lang. Doon sa PSA Gold Cup ba, kasali kami? May invite?
Yes, we will send invites. There is a portion for all of you, for media who play.
May gamit pa.
Okay,
May
so,
nakalimutan ako? May nakalimutan?
Ten.
Wala? Okay na?
yes.
Okay.
Okay, follow up dun sa